No name.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm back and I'm gonna be doing maybe I guess let's do a Minecraft video. Another Fanmatic one, and I'm just gonna pause until I get on the server. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm back and Fanmatic couldn't actually load. So I have to do this server. You guys are probably getting kind of bored of this server because I do it well, not a whole lot. I just like to show the server, and I maybe show it a little too much. So, you know, it's just that, but if you're not tired of this server, tell me. And I will, oh crap, person pushed me off, whatever. Yeah, if you're not tired of this, tell me and I'll do some more. I will do single player soon, so, you know. Actually, and like, since I'll probably start a single player thing today. Maybe not. There's a reason I'm going in these webs, because once you get to the bottom, you actually go pretty fast. Yeah, you see. At least it's not as painful as going through water. Right here, I just decide to run it, because, you know. But these people get no way, so. And this ladder, I don't know what's wrong with me, but I just can't do it. So, yeah, you know, but I will work on it. And guys, if you want me to make my skin better, I promise I will. Just gotta ask me some things to edit, and I will edit it on there, so, you know. But tell me where to edit it, on the back or on the front or on my arms where I walk. So, you know. Anyways. But are the people jamming it? I'm guessing so. Okay. Yeah. But you see, these people just won't let me go. So I decide, well, let's just go off. And let's do another thing. So, yeah. I do this server because I just found, and this server is called Blizzard Prison. Yeah. It's been a long time since I've played it, so it's kind of good to get back. I think I was on N/warp N. Up, maybe M. Yeah, I was on M. And this is basically what you do in the server. You mine and collect this, and you just collect this and trade it in for some money and grab your stuff. So don't blame me if I'm not being very good as a YouTuber right now, because I really suck as a YouTuber. That's just what happens to me. But yeah, you know. I mean, I'm not the worst, but pretty sucky. Yeah. I think I can, yeah. Yeah. Okay. So you mine all of this, and basically you just go around and trade it all. I used to be so addicted to this. It's not so, it's okay now, but it's not my favorite. And just make a ton of that. /PV1. Throw out all this gold that I collect. Okay. Collect some of it. Where's gold? Where's gold? Now. Okay. So let's grab some. Let's throw a ton of this stuff out so we can collect that and trade. And okay, so and then you can go /bow, and this is my bow /rank up would be 200,000, and I can also do this enchant. Wait. Oh, /warp. Enchant. Yeah. And you can go around and buy some of this stuff. I could buy sharpness 8, I could buy sharpness 10, I could buy protection 10, I could buy, you know, but I don't know. Anyways, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you want us to do next video. See you guys later. Bye.